A century ago, in the aftershock of war and a shifting world, T.S. Eliot stitched together fragments of myth, memory, and modernity. The result was a poem both bewildering and beautiful, The Waste Land.
In the drizzle of post-Great War London, a young bank clerk walks home through the fog. His name, Thomas Stearns Eliot. Within months he will help redefine poetry, modern, fractured.
From the wreckage of 1919, entire cities waited to breathe again. Each broken arch, each fallen track was a lesson carved in stone. Engineers sketched, scholars measured, and children watched the future being.
This poem is divided into 5 movements, each like a door to a different room in a single haunted house. First, Burial of the Dead, an elegy of broken seasons. This place feels hollow, as if even the air remembers what it has lost. Fear lingers in the stones, and the earth itself carries a kind of spiritual death.
In rooms like these, beauty and hurt live side by side. A careless word, a hasty move. Suddenly, the game changes. What's left behind are pieces and echoes.
Desire drifts like paper on the tide. Decay swells in the water, in the smoke, in the breath of the city. And fire waits to be born again.
Beneath the skin of the sea he drifts. Mortality, vanity, time, all slip from his hands like water.
The Upanishads speak of 3 little syllables, da, datta, give freely. Dayadvam, be compassionate, damyata, govern yourself, 3 thunders, offering a way through the storm.
In Tales of the Fisher King, symbols surface like notes in a score. The droplet marks purification, the storm bolt a shattering crisis. A crown glints for the wounded king himself, while the bear...
Here's a quick snapshot of modernism's big year, 1922. Ezra Pound, the tireless editor and promoter, The Mythical Method, stories layered like ancient maps.
Shantih Shantih Shantih.